Hi guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We are dealing with memory management and the next topic we are about to talk is placement algorithms. In earlier video we already said that the memory would be partitioned in a fixed size or a variable size, in which we say variable size would just perform sometimes better than a fixed size partition. So now the next thing comes across is if we have multiple processes, each one requiring different memory, how and where we will place them. The term is known as the placement algorithms. In placement algorithms, the basic goal which we have is to provide allocation to the process. So what are the common techniques? Let's go with that. The common techniques include four major ways of handling this. This includes first fit. In first fit, we will start every time from the beginning and go to the end. The first block in which we can fit a particular given request, we will put into that, and then we will go for the next request. Hence it is first fit. So first block or a first hole in which one can find a suitable insertion, we will insert. Best fit. In this, we will go from top to bottom, all available cavities will go through, and one which has a minimum space, or which has a near about exact fit, that would be selected so that the fragmentation or useless things can be removed. Worst fit. Now in this, the largest block is first used and then going for the next available. Next fit is similar to first fit. Only difference between first fit and next fit is in first fit we will always start from the beginning and go till the end, whereas in next fit we will be stopping in between and will restart looking at the available block only, I repeat, only from the point where the last insertion was done. So that's the reason it is known as the next fit. In many of the books they may not even specify next fit because it's a variation of first fit technique. So I repeat, we will be quickly taking all four methods again. First fit. In this you will take a request block and try to match up with the first available block, memory block, in which we can copy down this thing. Best fit. We will take the request block and try the best possible fit which has a minimum fragmentation to get into. We will be selecting that and putting that request block. Worst fit. We will start with the biggest memory block, start with it, and then go to the smallest. In next fit, it is similar to first fit or it is a variation of first fit, in which we will be simply selecting a block from the point where the last insertion was done. So let's see that one after another what we have.